Today we will taste the coagulants, agar, gelatin, and kanten, and afterwards, we will make a dessert using kanten. First, students will learn useful knowledge and skills so that they can create desserts suitable for ingredients, based on an understanding of the properties of coagulants. As instructors, we support students in understanding which gelling agent to use when creating a menu that is appropriate for the patient. We provide support to help them understand such matters.
I learned that gelatin and agar have completely different textures. I found the process of making almond tofu challenging, especially to prevent the sugar from burning.
Today, I tasted 3 different types of jelly. I understood the characteristics and differences of each gelling agent.
At this school, you can learn various practical skills, not only knowledge about nutrition, but also cooking practice, hygiene management, and menu creation. I feel that the knowledge students gain will be helpful in considering patients' meals in the future as they work as nutritionists.
I learned that it is good to use agar as a gelling agent when working with small children in the future at a nursery.
In the future, I want to work in a hospital and grow into a person who can provide direct nutritional guidance to patients struggling with diabetes and dietary issues.
I was able to practice with various creative ideas.
Cooking skills do not improve overnight. I hope you will steadily improve through your studies at school. I hope you continue to develop your skills steadily through both successes and failures. Thank you for watching the video from Kyoto College of Nutritional and Medical Sciences. Please consider subscribing to our channel.